Hello friends, back with another video. This time I am going to review this F Gear 40 litre Blackhawk suitcase like backpack. Why I am calling this suitcase like backpack is, in this backpack you can carry your clothes exactly like you carry in a suitcase. And I would like to call such backpacks as suitcase like backpacks. And I got it for 1,349 rupees. It is selling for 1,371 in Amazon right now. F Gear is a reputed manufacturer of bags. It is based in Bangalore, Yelahanga. It is manufactured in India. I always like to travel light, friends, and I've traveled a lot. And while traveling, I got to understand that how much of a light we can travel, that is better for the person instead of carrying big bags. Yeah, sometimes we will have to carry big bags because we have a lot of stuff to carry, but we will have to find innovative ways that such different sort of bags can make it easy for us to carry our luggage. And now in India, such innovative bags are coming into the market, and this is one among them. There are competitors for F Gear, Laden, another manufacturer from India, bag manufacturer from India. Laden cost is similar, 1,299, just 50 to 70 rupees less. But the Jonathan bag does not come with a external water bottle holder like this bag has, and that was a drawback because I wanted an extra water bottle holder, since we live in a tropical country, and it will be better if we can place our water bottle outside the bag, so that if something goes wrong and the water drips inside the bag, it's not a good feeling. So I got this, and I'm very impressed by the quality of this bag and the options this bag provides. There is another brand called Purple Tree, which is coming from China, which is selling similar bags on Amazon, slightly expensive, 2,499, and they are a very good brand as well. But when we have our Indian brand for such a good price, why should you go for Purple Tree for like 1,000 rupees more? And then there is Mokobara bags. Mokobara, I don't know what to say. 5,000 rupees the range starts. It goes up to 8,000. And why would anyone choose Mokobara for such bags when you have such a high price? And it is not a designer brand to highlight when you're going to a trip as well. Even for rich people, Mokobara is not a designer brand. So I don't know why Mokobara is pricing it so high. Maybe the materials are whatever technology, but still not. I'm not getting the logic in my mind. So let's go and unveil what this bag holds for us. So this bag, the best thing is, it's got this suitcase like pickup, and then very good wide straps, very cushiony, comfortable pads here, and which is good for your shoulders as well as your back. Let me see, whether they have given the price. Yeah, it's written 2,980, which is the MRP. Yeah. Now let's start by giving you an idea of what this bag has in store for us. So you open this zip in the zipper, and you got this much space. A lot of space to put your accessories or your stationery, a small book or whatever. And then the other side of the back, we have this bigger opening, and yeah, this is a really cool opening. You can put your towels, your small slippers, and chargers. A lot of stuff can be pushed, and even clothes as well, your books as well. So pretty good space here as well. And then we come to the main compartment. It's got compression straps as well. Yeah. This is how you open it. See, a lot of space. And there is this one, the USB-A connector, because with here you can use this A connector to charge your mobile phone or power bank using a power bank. You can put your power bank inside here. A lot of cushion, a lot of depth for your clothes. 3 days clothes will absolutely fit in. I close this. Compression straps are on both sides, here as well and on the other side as well. And then we come back to the laptop compartment. Look at the laptop compartment, lots of space. You know, the depth is really cool. You know, the storage space, it's very tall back, but you know, the depth is really good. Look at how much space you can carry a lot of things here. Your laptop and then, you know, a lot of accessories, even clothes or books or whatever. The height is really cool as well. And the biggest advantage, like I mentioned before, from Faridaran is this water bottle holder, friends. Really, really good water bottle holder. Very cool. And the surprise element is here. Look at this, the surprise element. You open the strap here on the back side and this much of space. Your slippers or, you know, anything you can fill in. Towels, wet towels or whatever. So friends, excellent bag for this price. 1,350. I will leave the link in the description below. But I'm very impressed by this bag, friends. F Gear one. Really cool, you know, almost like a soft luggage suitcase for your flights, for your train, for your bus travel. I'm going to, I got it for one purpose. I'm going to travel to Mookampika temple from Trivandrum tomorrow. And I have a normal, you know, like hard luggage. And I thought I'll make a change. I'll get this bag, fill it in, and travel and see how good it works out. It will work out. And I'm pretty sure now that, you know, it will work out fine. So friends, that is the end of this video and the review about this F Gear Blackhawk 40 liters. I'm very impressed by it. Thank you for watching the video. Take care. Bye-bye.